Hey, this is Brainwaves and I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Richard Finger. So I normally keep these project files for my Patreon members, but as a thank you for all the support in these videos, I'm giving this one away for free. So if you want to get it, just hit the link in the description. The BPM for this one is 140. The drums are pretty simple. They sound like this. And they consist of a kick drum, 2 snares layered. So that's the first one. That's the second one. That's both of them together, and they have a tiny bit of reverb on return tracking here. It's a tiny bit. And I have a hi-hat and a ride. Then going into the group for my basses, I have my sidechain already in place. I'm just doing an automation with an utility. Every time that the kick and the snare hits. And for the opening bass, sounds like this. It's actually 2 layers, but I'll break this one first and then I'll go to the second one. This one started with a sine wave. Then I enable oscillator B and I set this wavetable with 3 octaves and 7 semitones up. That's how it sounds. So basically oscillator B is giving you the tone of the sound. Oscillator A is going to be more for the low end. Then I enable a filter that is going to help with the movement. And that filter, the LFO1, is routed to the cutoff of the filter. Resonance is up, drive is up a little bit as well. And then the effects is where you get the grittiness of the sound and the character basically. So hyperdimension first to make it wider, compression, then distortion. This is going to help out a ton. And the rest is just me shaping the sound a little bit more. So a little bit of EQ, 2 EQs actually, just cutting on some areas that I didn't need the frequencies. So I just cut in there a little. I just didn't like the way that it sounded without it. So I just put a couple EQs to fix that and then a little bit of reverb. And outside of the patch, I just have an EQ boosting a tiny bit of the mids, like around 1K. Then the second layer is the exact same patch, but I have the second oscillator being 2 octaves up instead of 3 octaves up. That's pretty much it. The rest is completely the same as in the first patch. It's just me changing the octave in there. Now the first bass. That's the exact same patch as the opening bass, but I changed the LFO shape and rate. But if you check, like everything else is pretty much the same. Then I have this other one. And with that one, I'm playing with the octave of the oscillator B. So first time around is 3 octaves up. Second time around is 2 octaves up. And let me show you the patch itself. You're gonna notice that is, once again, very similar to the first bass. But in here, I'm actually using another wavetable. This is the Monster 2 wavetable. And I also changed the LFO shape. And the cutoff in here is a little bit different. The modulation is just a tiny bit more closed. It's not as open. I think the previous ones, the modulation was going up to like 80% or 80 something. In this one, it's just going up to 70%. So the filter doesn't open up so much, basically. The rest is the same. So yeah, you can see that everything is a variation of the opening bass. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. As I mentioned in the beginning, you can grab this project file for free using the link in the description. And if you want more project files, feel free to check out my Patreon. I have a ton of project files in there with presets included. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope I see you around.